Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing these geranium orchid blue. That's just instructions there, but they can take quite a long time, 1 to 4 months to germinate, so do not chuck them away. Do not think that they haven't germinated. They can take quite a long time. So first of all, I've mixed up 50% Koya and 50% J. Arthur Bowers multi-purpose, just to try and get a nice even mixture. Since I've got rid of peat, it's been really hard to get a really good compost, so I'm just trying different mixers, different varieties. Over here I've got 3 that I'm trying here. That's Miracle Grow Premium multi-purpose, the middle J. Arthur Bowers, and at the end is Koya. So I'm trying all 3, and this one is a mix of those 2, which I'm hoping is going to give me the best results. So just get over here, I'll mix those up. These are on special offer, geraniums. There are 8 seeds in here, but you only need a couple of seeds to make sure you've got some good plants for next year. This is a perennial, so once these start growing, fingers crossed, should be really good. So I should get my hand like so. So there's 2, 4, 6, 7 there. So they're the seeds, you see them. All I'm going to do with these is spread them about. I've got another, the other half of this is Geraniums I'm growing. So just open this up. Hopefully got a couple more yet. I've got a couple extra seeds there, which is brilliant. Now what I'm going to do with that is just a thin covering of compost and just give it a quick water in. It's already been watered, this compost, before, so it's already really damp. And get the name tag in there, and then all I need to do with that is get my cover on there. And I shall just put this on one side. So yeah, that's those 2 done. This has got plenty of room, just so it's not going to get too hot then. So actually leave it just off the edge there. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be potting on these geranium orchid blue, hardy perennial, so February to June or September to October. So put that out of the way. These are my geraniums. As you can see, these have developed really well. So I had 8 seeds here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is absolutely amazing. So what I'll do with these is I will put these on into these 2, 4, 6, these 24 cell trays. So I'll just use like a line and a half of those. Okay, I'll save the rest for these geraniums. These are Blazing Sunset, and these have been attacked by slugs and snails, unfortunately. Well, slugs. So I've got rid of a couple of slugs last night. I've treated the greenhouse for slugs. So hopefully won't have any problems with that now. So first of all, let's get these trays potted up with some compost. Quite easy to do. I'll do all the tray as soon as I'll be using the rest anyway. What you want to do with these, once you've sown these, you want to start feeding them once every couple of weeks. Up nicely. So that's over like so. Just go across, just make sure tap down nicely, like so, and just back across. That's that done. Then get your name tag. I was like to get your name tag, move it across, and I want to put these out. And so for that, I like to use a pen, use a knife, just something that you can get underneath. Move this across there like so. Yeah, see that all? What you need to do with this is underneath like so. So you've got a nice root system there, see all that beautiful roots. Compost out of there. I'm going to plant them roughly to the same height they were in the compost, in the seed tray. Another one. Like so. This is a excuse me, Hoya base compost, peat free. It's doing a really good job with these. I'll get the rest of these potted on. I just got the last one to put in now. That's all 6 potted on. Then all you need to do then is give them a little water. Water them in like so. Make sure plenty of water on there. These will recover nicely. They'll all straighten up those shortly. So they will just go. I'll leave them on here overnight, and then I should put them under my LED grow lights and start feeding them. So yeah, that's how to pot on your perennial geraniums. They are gem awkward blue. If you've got any questions, hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Say bye, monkey. Bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.